Welcome to this video on how you can effectively use Web3 wallets. In this video, I'll be covering 3 Web3 wallets, which are Binance, Bitget, and Metamask. And if you are new to cryptocurrencies or looking to level up your skills, this video is perfect for you, since we will walk you through the practical tips, security essentials, on how you can maximize these tools. So let's dive in. And before we jump into the specifics, let's cover first the basics of Web3 wallets, or basically understanding it first. These wallets are your gateway to the decentralized web, allowing you to store, send, receive, and interact with cryptocurrencies and decentralized applications. But first of all, there are 2 main types of wallets: the custodial and the non-custodial. Custodial wallets. These platforms like Binance and Bitget is dependent on the provider security, while they give us a freedom to manage our private keys, making them really user-friendly. On the other hand, non-custodial wallets gives us a greater autonomy over our private keys. For example, is the Metamask wallet. Well, the choice depends on the user's needs. For example, if you want to be more convenient, then use custodial. But if you want to have a full control over your wallet, you can use Metamask or non-custodial wallets. Let's start with Binance Wallet, a beginner-friendly option for managing your cryptocurrency assets if you are new to the world of crypto. Binance Wallet is an excellent place to begin. Setting up your Binance Wallet is very simple and straightforward. First, download the Binance Wallet app in your App Store or Play Store. This is separate from the Binance Exchange application. Once installed, create a new wallet and ensure you securely back up your recovery phrase. This step is really crucial, since losing your recovery phrase means also losing the access to your funds or assets. Now let's talk about its features. Binance Wallet makes it easy for you to buy cryptocurrency directly within the application, using a linked bank account or credit card. It also offers access to decentralized applications, or what we call the apps, through its integrated browser. You can also explore platforms like PancakeSwap, Uniswap, or even NFT marketplaces like the OpenSea. And if you're interested in passive income, Binance Wallet's staking features is really a standout. By staking your assets, you can earn rewards while holding onto your tokens. Additionally, the wallet supports multiple blockchains, allowing you to switch seamlessly between networks like Ethereum, Binance Smart Chain, or what we call BSC, and lastly is the Polygon. Aside from that, security is a top priority when using any wallet. And for Binance, you just need to enable biometric authentication and 2-factor authentication. And you just need to regularly review connected decentralized applications and revoke access to any apps that you no longer use to minimize potential risks. So just a simple pro tip is that Binance Wallet's asset bridging feature is incredibly useful. It lets you transfer assets between blockchains, which is especially handy for avoiding high gas fees on the Ethereum network. Additionally, the application provides integrated price charts and educational resources via the Binance Academy, which you can access directly inside their application, making it a comprehensive tool for both managing and learning about cryptocurrencies. Well, that was a great start about Binance Wallet and how we can use it effectively and securely. Next up is the Bitget wallet. This one is a hybrid platform that combines the features of an exchange with a wallet. Bitget is particularly appealing for those who want advanced trading tools alongside with their wallet functionalities. Getting started with Bitget involves registering on the platform and completing the KYC, or the Know Your Customer process. This unlocks higher transaction limits and additional features. Once your account is set up, you can use Bitget's wallet to securely store and trade assets. And one of Bitget's standout features is its copy trading functionality, which allows users to follow the strategies of the top performing traders. By analyzing their performance metrics, you can choose a trader whose approach aligns with your investment goals and mimic their strategies with a single click. Well, Bitget also excels in offering staking and yielding farming opportunities just like Binance. By participating in this, you can earn rewards or interest on your assets. Like Binance, Bitget supports multiple blockchains, making it a versatile tool for managing diverse portfolios. For advanced users, the wallet includes options like margin trading and spot grid trading, offering more control and flexibility. And next is to ensure the security of your wallet. You can enable 2FA and consider activating withdrawal whitelists. These measures add an extra layer of protection to your account. And here's a simple tip. Take advantage of Bitget's market analysis tools to stay informed about market trends. The platform also offers flexible savings accounts where you can earn interest on ETH assets while retaining liquidity. Finally, don't overlook Bitget's community events and campaigns. This often provides bonus rewards, airdrops, and discounts on trading fees, making it a wallet that offers plenty of perks for active users. Now that we have covered the custodial wallets, let's talk about the non-custodial wallets. Metamask is one of the most popular non-custodial wallets, and for good reason. It offers extensive functionality while putting users in complete control of their private keys. If you are serious about decentralized finance or NFTs, Metamask is a must-have application or extension. Setting up Metamask is simple. You can install this in your browser if you are using PC as an extension, or you can install it as a mobile application in your phone. After doing it, you just need to create a wallet and store your recovery phrase securely offline. This phrase is the key to your wallet, so treat it with the most care or utmost care. Metamask's versatility lies in its features. It allows users to add custom networks such as Binance Smart Chain, Avalanche, or Optimism, enabling you to access a wide range of decentralized applications. The built-in swap features also lets you exchange tokens seamlessly without leaving the wallet, while its gas fee optimization options help you save on transaction costs during network congestion. Security is the paramount of Metamask. Always verify URL links before connecting to the decentralized applications to avoid phishing scams, and also regularly update your app or the extension and avoid sharing your private keys across multiple devices. And for maximum security, consider integrating Metamask with a hardware wallet like Ledger or Trezor. Metamask is also an excellent tool for managing your NFTs. You can store, view, and organize your digital collectibles directly within the wallet. And to track your overall portfolio, you can connect Metamask to tools like Zapper or Zerion for a comprehensive overview of your assets and activities. Well, now that you have a comprehensive understanding of how to use these Web3 wallets, which are Binance, Bitget, and Metamask effectively, each wallet offers unique features, but the key to mastering them lies in balancing convenience, security, and functionality. All of this guide help you. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Web3 tips and tutorials. Again, thanks for watching and see you in the next video.